What is up, my moonlight? Wait, sunshines. Tutorial on how to get my emoji on, the Dandy's World emoji on Face Emoji. I haven't been on here for a while. First, I gotta do this. Keyboard, Face Emoji, allow full access. It's gonna tell me to allow full access either way. Nah. Okay, so how to get it, it's right here. You have to watch one full video or use Alldane for free. Which, yeah, I'm too. So I'm gonna watch one video, which is probably gonna get copyrighted off. So I'm going to turn it off. And I can't believe Fortnite is back in the App Store. Like, I never knew that. Then another ad, and then you get the keyboard. It was right at the top. And whoever who doesn't see them, you're probably blind. I'm sorry, I had to say it. But anyways, these AI ads are getting crazier. Okay, so then this is how you get the keyboard and this is how you get the Dandy's World keyboard. And if you want, you can get any one of these except for the ones. You can get any one of these except for the ones that has a little dot. Yeah, like these. You can't get them, but in Roblox you can. And you can get this one by sending stuff to one of your friends. But I just use normal. And if you're trying to find it, it's the fourth one at the top. And if you want this Dress to Impress one, it shakes also. So if you want that and you're like a Dress to Impress fan or Dandy's World, I think they have a Forsaken one. I don't think they have a Forsaken one. Yeah, they don't. You could I think you could make your own, you could make your own, create your own emoji, like, with your favorite person and stuff. Like, I would do the same. Don't mind I'm gonna actually blur that up. So, like, let's say I wanted to use Eternal Sugar for this keyboard. I got you. She's like gonna be like, you can make her like DTI. You can make her like Bunny. But I would just and let's say you're trying to use Burning Lice. No offense to Burning Lice. Or let's say you're trying to use one of your favorite photos. This is my absolute favorite because it's just with Lana. And yeah, that's like how you make your own keyboard. in the effects. You can have it like any way. I don't care. This is not a sponsorship. I'm being honest. Not a sponsorship to Facemoji because I don't even like Facemoji that much. Yeah, I'm definitely finna have that. Cause this is satisfying. Okay, so now that's how you get the Dandy's World one and the Just Impress one.